Kathleen Blagay. I'm a shareholder owner of Thornebrook Chocolates in Shops at Thornebrook, Gainesville, Florida. And we've been around for 35 years, so we're a staple in Gainesville and excited to be that and be a part of the people's lives in Gainesville. What I love most about my business is being a part of people's lives, people's everyday lives, people's special occasions, their relationships with other people and gift giving. It's really exciting to be part of that experience. People tend to come in and share what they're doing to get that special gift for somebody, and it's really heartwarming to hear some of the stories that people share with us. Also can kind of tug at the heartstrings, being there at times of challenge to being a comfort food, but that's the part I love the most about our business. What I'd love to let new customers know is to let our chocolate consultants know if there's something special that they're looking for or a favorite. We have hundreds of different types of chocolates. We have wine, we have gifts like mugs and baskets. There's so many different things. We have some hidden gems that are behind the showcase that we can't bring forward. So we could give them a match, kind of chocolate match made in heaven, if they just let us know a little bit of their favorites. I have recommended so many shops in Thornebrook to friends. We have hairdressers and jewelers and alterations, flowers, a gym, a music shop, a wedding store. So many different opportunities to find something special, get that special treat, go to the spa and get a facial. I just couldn't say enough good things about all the merchants here in Thornebrook. At Thornebrook Chocolates, we usually try to bring in a few new options like chipotle almonds, so something hot and spicy. We brought in cocoa bombs for the holidays, but I would say coming here for the classics that have kept us here for 35 years is the best part, such as our cordial cherries and our chocolate covered Oreos, things like that. Come visit us at Thornebrook Chocolates. Get your favorite chocolate, have some gelato, grab a bottle of wine, get something for you, get something for someone else. We're here year round and we hope to be here for another 35 years, maybe more.